Hello and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Judith. Today we're going to make something. I never make the same twice apparently. It is sole fillets wrapped around a filling. And it just occurred to me that my filling is pretty much different every time. But it always will include some fresh herbs, lemon, and prawns. So that's what we're going for today. Let's get started. So I've chopped my herbs, and that's basil, parsley, flat leaf parsley, and some thyme. I've zested half my lemon, just right there, and chopped it up a little bit. And I have a slice of red onion, which I cut into quarters. So let's push this aside, and let's get a sole fillet. Place those in the baking dish. Now this one's a larger fillet, so I had 3 of each kind of prawn, and just the other fillet was smaller, so it only got, actually I lied, I had 4 of one and 3 of the other. So this is getting 3 of one and 1 of the other. And the other one got 3 all the same. There we go. Now if you are worried about them coming apart, you could secure them with a toothpick. And we're just going to pop the rest of all of that in there. And then we're going to just put the lemon juice from our half a lemon into the dish. And pick out the seeds. Of course, you could have juiced that earlier and strained it, but it's not that many seeds in that guy. And the only other thing we're going to add before we bake it is a little bit of white wine. And please, there is no such thing as cooking wine. Do use a nice white wine. And you don't need a lot, not for this. Then I'm going to cover with tin foil. And we're going to bake it at 350. And it's not going to take long. This won't take very long at all. Probably 15 to 20 minutes. So after about 10 minutes, remove the tin foil and let it bake and let the liquid boil away, because there is going to be a lot of liquid in the bottom of the pan. Okay, we're 15 minutes into the cooking. Let's take the tin foil off. Looks yummy, yummy, yummy. You can see that. And we are going to sprinkle. Oh, actually smells delicious. Just a tiny bit of sweet paprika on there to give it some color. And then we're going to put it back in the oven, uncovered. And you'll notice there is no butter or anything used in this so far. We will be rectifying that. We're going to do a butter lemon sauce. Butter lemon sauce is exactly what it sounds like. It is butter that you've melted. And now we add lemon juice. Whisk it in. We're going to cook it down. And we're going to add one other item. About a teaspoon of chopped parsley. Now we're going to let that cook. It will cook down, thicken a little, but that's pretty much it. Rolls are cooked. I'm just going to baste them a little bit with the juice. There we have my stuffed sole. Let me break it up a bit so you can see what's in it. Today it is just prawn. So we have beautiful prawns in there, and we have that lovely lemon butter sauce that we can dip them in, just like that. Oh my god, I can't wait. Now I hope you liked the recipe, and feel free to pick your filling, because I do change my fillings up. Quite often I use prawns and scallops, sometimes other things. It is not regimented. Whatever you want to wrap in sole works. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again soon.